Divorce is not easy. There are so many things to think about and so many decisions to make. You have to decide what you're going to do, where you're going to live. What about your kids? What about school? Where will they attend? Your head is spinning and you don't know where to start. Hi, I'm Adrienne Lynch with the Lynch team at Conway Real Estate. And while I can't help you with all these problems, I can help you figure out the best way to move forward in your home. If you're looking for a realtor to help you navigate through this transition when moving forward with your divorce, you will need to decide what to do with your home. Will you sell it? Will one of you be keeping it? There are things that you will be deciding in your divorce agreement. If you choose to sell, you should consider putting your home on the market as soon as possible, even before you are divorced. This will give you the maximum amount of time to allow the house to be marketed and shown to the right buyers, and it will be less likely that you will accept an offer just because you need to. My digital marketing strategy can expose your home to masses and can help take some stress out of this very stressful situation. According to the National Association of Realtors, 98% of the people start their future home search online, so I will make sure they are seeing your home. Homes also tend to perform better when staged. Whether or not you're staying in the home, we can work with you to make sure we highlight the best parts of the home. Whatever you have to do in order to be able to move on, I will be there by your side, doing what I do best, so you can concentrate on what you need to do. So message me today and let's see how I can help you. And please, I'm not an attorney or a tax consultant. I'm just giving you free advice, so be sure to speak to the appropriate parties during this difficult time.